Welcome to our Software Ideas Modeler tutorial. In this session, we'll focus on creating a dynamic class hierarchy organized as a tree layout. We begin by initiating a new hierarchy diagram from the infographics group. We select all the elements in the container and remove them, retaining only the container itself for our purposes. The next step involves copying this tree container and using it into our class diagram. This action sets the stage for our hierarchy structure. Now, we proceed to place some classes into the container and establish connections between them using generalization relationships. When we connect two classes with a generalization, they are automatically positioned correctly in the tree. An important feature to note is the flexibility of the model. Adjustments made to the endpoints of generalization relationships trigger an automatic reorganization of the classes within the tree structure. This demonstrates the dynamic and responsive design capabilities of Software Ideas Modeler.